I think most people now can see that it's time for a fresh start. Labour has failed Wales over 26 years, and now it's time to start with a party that has a real vision for Wales, that has ambition for our nation, and it's only Plaid Cymru that offers that. After 26 years of one party running the Welsh Government, we need a new direction, we need new energy. 4 more years of the same with Labour, visionless reform, or it's Plaid Cymru.
This conference has made one thing really clear. Plaid Cymru is ready to lead. Labour has failed, reform is a threat. Plaid Cymru is the only party that truly puts Wales first.
Mae'r etholiad flwyddyn nesaf yn gyfle arbennig I bobl Cymru. Mae o'n gyfle I gael newid I Gymru, I gael gweledigaeth I Gymru. A mae'n bwysig I bod chi'n edrych arno ni fel yr unig plaid fydd yn sefyll I fyny dros Gymru.
To every person in our nation who wants to build a better Wales together, we say this: Wales is good enough, is big enough, and is smart enough to do just that. So friends, let's look to the future, not to the past. Prosperity, not poverty. Fairness, not injustice. Tolerance, not hate. Country, not party. Wales, not Westminster. And where there has been despair, a new hope.
Mi fydd cael Llywodraeth Plaid Cymru yng Nghymru yn rhoi gobaith I Gymru, yn rhoi uchelgais I Gymru ac yn brwydro dros buddiannau Cymru.
When Wales speaks with a Plaid Cymru First Minister at the helm, Westminster at last will have no choice but to listen.
The choice for First Minister is straightforward enough. 4 more years of Labour under Lynedd Morgan, or me as First Minister, Plaid Cymru, stepping forward with the ideas that we need on the economy, on public services, on the cost of living crisis to make a difference to you, your family and your communities.
Plaid Cymru sydd wedi gwreiddio ni cymunedau a sydd yn deall anghenion Cymru. Plaid Cymru hefyd fydd yn barod I sefyll I fyny yn San Steffan dros buddiannau ac yr arian teg I Gymru.